Hi folks, today in this particular video we will be going to discuss about types of algorithms. Before going to the straightforward moving into the topic, we will be going to understand. First of all, I wanted to announce certain things. Okay, first of all, first thing I need to announce is like I have created another channel related to the podcast, so you can go and visit the podcast series there, and here you will be getting the tech related content and tech related podcast you will be able to get in this particular channel. Okay, all related to the data structures and algorithm, you will be getting the things, sort of things here. All right, so let's going to this topic right now. All right, so now types of algorithms is nothing but way of, like I told you previously as well, like let's suppose you wanted to solve the problem, like okay, let's say you wanted to purchase particular car, right? So you wanted to go to particular showroom, so will do the certain steps, you will be going to do it. Okay, and after that you will be asking certain questions to the salesperson that this is the kind of a mileage I am looking for it. Okay, so for tweaking certain parameters for efficiencies, right? So there are certain algorithms for that inbuiltly also will be there. Okay, all right, for the car as well. So whenever we wanted to discuss related to data structures, okay, algorithms plays a major role. Okay, all right, so there are sorting algorithms, searching algorithms, graph algorithms, dynamic programming. Okay, all right, so it is divided into certain problem statements. All right, sorting, searching, dynamic programming, divide and conquer. I will explain you what the particular thing mainly it is talking about it. Okay, then we will be going to discuss about it. So recursive function. All right, so this is also a recursive algorithms. All right, so it is having a algorithm basically to solve the approach to solve the particular problem. So sorting, at the name suggests that if you wanted to sort your data in ascending or descending, let's say you are building an application, let's say you wanted to sort the particular data list. Okay, all right, I will show you one example for you. All right, so I will go back to particular case so you will understand one thing very clearly. All right, so what is the sorting and searching will be going to take place basically. Okay, so I will explain you with the basic example, folks, that this approaches you will be using but not basically in the depth. Okay, so overview you will be understanding. So data structures, they are only example, like fundamentals should be clear, basically the company will be focusing about it. Let's say let's understand like that you build an applications, right? So you created a splash screen. After this screen, one particular match is coming. Okay, let's take a cricket matches. Okay, so there are list of matches which is coming from an internet. Okay, so I will be not telling now APIs and all. So the data is coming from an internet you are showing here. Okay, let's suppose you click on one particular match. All right. So here what you are doing is based upon the role, you are filtering it out. Okay, you are sorting that particular players. Okay, what you are doing here basically, you are sorting basically based upon the wicket keepers. Okay, so who all are the wicket keepers, that players comes this particular list, it will going to come here. Alright, so understand like that. So this is the sorting functionality will be going to work upon. Okay, so now the another algorithm, sort of algorithms you will be going to discuss, that is searching functionality. You have observed in any of the apps, right? Let's say in particular apps, what you have seen, you will be searching for one particular product. Okay, so you will be searching here, let's suppose machine. Okay, so if you search for the machine, you will be getting machine kind of products here. Alright, so searching also works like that. And dynamic programming, like you will be dividing problems into the sub problems. Let's say I wanted to create one screen. Alright, so what you will be going to do, you will be creating a class. In that class you will be dividing into the components, so that is nothing but a divide and conquer. Okay, so there is another problem statement where recursive algorithms also plays major role, right? Function inside the another function. Okay, that is nothing but recursive algorithms. So you will be understanding when we take the projects and we will be going to implement it in correct approach, then you will be understanding, folks. Okay, so that's it about this video, folks. So I wanted to discuss about this particular things. In the next video we will be going to discuss about asymptotic notation, that is a convention which we will be going to measure the algorithm, how much time it should take, how much time it will take for execute particular script or particular program, so that you will understand what is the things we are going to do. Okay, so that's it about this video, folks. I wanted to explain you this part in greater details, so I hope you understood the concept part, and in the next video we will be going to discuss about it. Okay, alright, so we will be going to discuss about certain understanding, certain runtime constraints and all. Alright, so that's it about this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, just comment down below, like if you have understood particular concept or not, anything apart from that, you can just tell me in the comment section, basically, folks. Okay, that's all about this video, folks. We will meet in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this session and enjoyed this particular video. So in the next video we will be going to discuss about the another particular concept.